So in the last video we have been gone through, like, if I am having a tree, how to find the traversal. Okay, so the main traversals which we have gone through is, first one was pre-order, another one is in order, and another one is post order. Correct? Now if we are having these traversals, can we make the trees? Can we draw it? This is the question, right? So now let's take some example and try to understand how all these things are going to happen. First of all, it is very important to know that we can't make or draw a tree from one traversal only. We can't draw a tree from one traversal only. We need at least two, and where, like there, the in-order traversal is a mandatory thing. Okay, we need at least two traversals where the in-order traversal is mandatory. Okay, so we can have two patterns, obviously. First one would be like in order and pre-order. Another set could be like in order and post order. These are the two. Correct? So let's take an example of pre-order and in order, and let's make a tree and try to understand it properly, because like, it's very important. Okay, so pre-order, I'm having a traversal, taking an example from somewhere. Okay, A, B, D, H, E, C, F, I, G, J, and K. Another one is in order. D, H, B, E, A, I, F, C, J, G, and K. So we are having two traversals and we have to make a tree. So in case of pre-order, what we know? P, L, and R. In case of in order, what we know? L, P, and R. So here P means, obviously the first node would be the root of the tree. Yeah, so here also A is there. So in case of pre-order, root is there, some part. Okay, some part, let's take this one. Some part would be left subtree, some part would be right subtree. But in case of in order, if we found the root, then obviously the left part would be the left subtree, because L, P, and R, the right side would be the right subtree, isn't it? So that's why blindly we can draw A here. Now what would be the left and what would be the right subtree's root? Okay, so obviously B would be there. Yeah, and here in this subtree we can find C, where C is also here. Okay, and you can see the left subtree is here, B is here, isn't it? So obviously B and C are the left and right child. Now here after B, what is there? Is D. That means obviously D is here. See, D is here in the left subtree also. Okay, so D is here, that means E would be the right one from the in order traversal. So E is here, it's also there. And after D, like after D there is H. Okay, and here also there is H. If the H would be here, obviously we would put it here. As the H is the right side of the D, then obviously this is the right child. Correct? In case of C, obviously F would be there in the left, as F is here also, and J, G, K, then obviously G would be the thing. Okay, G would be the thing, then G is here. Correct? And from this and this we can find like J is here and K is here, but here there is I. So in your traversal, obviously F is the root here, then obviously as I is in the left side, then obviously I would be here. Correct? So in this way we can draw the tree. You just have to compare both the things and you have to make some common sense and you need to implement it. That's it. Okay. Now like post order and in order, let's talk about that. Okay, post order traversal, which is HI DJ EBK F G C and A, and in case of in order, what do you think? H D I B E J A K F C G. Okay, so in pre-order we used to know that the root is the first element. In case of post order, root is the last element. So again divided into two part. Okay, so up to J, that means last 4, this would be the right subtree and this is going to be the left subtree. Okay, so obviously A is here, then B and C would be the left one and the right one. Then obviously inside of B, obviously this 3 would be the left subtree of B. Okay, and this to the right subtree. Then obviously D and E, so D and E. Okay, D and E. As in order traversal, like J is the right side, then obviously it is going to be in the right side. Okay, yeah, J is done. And in case of D, then obviously H is here and I is here, they are also done. Now come to the right side. So after G, C, then F and G. Okay, so G would be the right subtree, F would be the left subtree. Here K is left side and obviously K is here. That's it. This is the tree which we can draw, okay, from these traversals. In this way we can use this kind of things. Okay, so I have shown you 2 of the processes and these are amazing. Like you can practice by your own also. I will be showing the coding part later, not right now. Okay, I hope you should understand all these things. Okay, now let's talk about another topic, which is an expression tree. Okay, expression tree, I am also adding it here. Okay, let's we will talk in the next video, don't worry. We will discuss about it. And if you like these videos, guys, please do share and please subscribe the channel, because you guys watch the videos but do not subscribe it. So, and let me know in the comment section if any kind of doubt is there or anything, like if I could improve or something, sound or like if anything, or any kind of suggestions for better experience to watch the videos, then let me know. And please subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends, guys. This will be a big help for me. It really boosts me up, like more views, more subscribers obviously will motivate me. So this much for today, guys, and see you in the next video.